Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. Okay, so in my last video, we were looking at these areas around 3200 because we had an uptrend like this. We broke that uptrend going to the downside right there. What I was looking at is resistance right here and resistance right there. We had a downtrend going something like that. We had that downtrend going like that. It looks like we got a breakout to the upside right here. I'm kind of curious what's going on with this chart. This isn't the first time I've been faked out with Ethereum. I think in general you have to be very careful with Ethereum, and I was thinking in general what I should be talking about more too is I was thinking about doing more like maybe 30% trading and maybe more like 70% buy and hold. So I don't know, I'm thinking about cutting back on the trading and doing more just buy and holds. But what I'm looking at right now, it looks like we got a breakout of this downtrend right here, at least for right now. We're on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we can close above this trend line right there and then get another green candle pushing to the upside. What I really want to see us do is break out of this Fibonacci box, something like that. Then we could get a higher high. If we could break out of this level right here, this resistance zone, then I'll be targeting this area up here at around 3,950, somewhere around there, maybe 3,960, something like that. If we jump over the total crypto market cap, we had this resistance right here and resistance right here. It looks like we're breaking that trend line going to the upside right now. I'm targeting these two red horizontal lines, which are the previous tops right there and right there. We also have a cup and handle pattern, something like that. What I'm doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this cup, dragging that to the breakout over here, the breakout right here, and I'm looking at a target of around 3 trillion. If we come over to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, here's what I'm looking at. We had this big uptrend right here. We broke that uptrend going to the downside right here. I was looking at this support, and this support, giving me a trend line something like this. It looks like we're getting a bounce right now at that level, and we have a downtrend going something like this. Let's see if we could break through that downtrend and go to the upside. If this chart is moving up, that means Ethereum is doing better than Bitcoin. If we go back to the Ethereum chart, in the past couple days, we've been going out of this daily 9 moving average, so I'm not really sure. I mean, sometimes it kind of throws you off in situations like this, but right now we are above it, and it looks like we are going to get some support on it and push to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. In general, though, if we could break out of this resistance zone right here, I'm looking at targeting this next resistance zone or the previous top, sitting at around 3956. Check out the technical analysis t-shirts I have for sale on my web shop below. The first one I made is a falling wedge pattern. This is pretty much my favorite pattern, and I thought it would look cool on a t-shirt. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button.